mi ganas de amar. No seré yo por tercera vez, de nuevo el que entregue más. Me vuelvo promiscuo, algo arisco. No quiero nada serio en realidad. De lo que decimos, si sufrimos, por miedo a que nos dañen una vez más. Valiente será.
We will be doing after our body wave a reverse body wave and a fall forward. So we are in the closed position with our good friend. We prepare our body wave in 7-8. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap, prepare in 7-8. We are going to do our body wave again, shifting the weight, going up and down. So breathe in and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now guys, we're going to start with our weight in the middle a little bit, so we are not pinching here or anything. We are doing our nice dance pose with a nice opening of our legs. And we give her the instructions to sit down. So we go in 1, 2, sit down. From here, we bring our hand to her lower back, okay?
So for us, it's very clear when the leader sits down in his body wave, we also have to go down and stay sitting in the body wave. We don't continue with the movement, okay? Also, he leaves you a little bit alone in the end of the body wave. Make sure, again, that you still do the whole process of the body wave and you're not here and you sit down. Maybe he does that. Maybe it's okay for the leaders, but we want to do it very beautiful. And also, again, don't forget about the pendulum. And don't fall forward. If he is a little bit too far away from you when you want to sit down, don't try to keep the connection here. You are allowed to slide a little bit down with your arms to keep the frame, but you also want a good posture, okay?
So we are here and we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the hip here and we start leading. The weight is a little bit in the middle. For me, it's a little bit more like 60% here, 40% here, just as a more, yeah.
For us, it's on the left side.
Yes.
Completely.
Now, we lead a reverse body wave and we're going to transfer our weight to the back. So we go in 5, 6. Now, it's the point where we say, okay, let's continue the movement and go into the fall forward. So we go even more with our transfer weight to the back and we lead her more diagonally up with the upper body. And now we make her go down and fall forward. Here, pam, 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 pam. We bring her down, we flex our knees, and now we bring her again up.
We have exciting news before we continue with our video.
Yes, guys, we are starting a new email newsletter and we want to give you exclusive access. In this newsletter, we will be sharing tips and tricks that will help you improve your Bachata Sensual dance, and we will also give you exclusive prices and discounts to our online programs.
Yes, you'll get behind-the-scenes access into our world as Bachata Sensual teachers and creators and so much more. To sign up for this newsletter, click the first link here below. But now let's continue with the video.
Counting for this before we explain the follower part. It's very tricky. You can do it fast or you can do it slow. Like all sensual moves depend on the music. For example, we could be here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We could also be here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So it all depends on the music and how fast or slow you want to lead it. Important is that you are still doing the movement completely the same way.
Okay, follower. So we sit here. Now we go again up with our hips a little bit into the pendulum and we push our hips forward and we have a weight transfer to the right leg. So we are up now. Really open your chest to the roof and make yourself big and open. And now when he wants us to go down, we have to shift the weight again to our back. Otherwise, we will walk forward and we don't want that. So from here, the hips push back and we shift the weight to the left side. If you like, you can even go a little bit into the knees and push yourself out from here and come up. But again, the movement comes from the hips.
Yes, guys. So like she said, it's super important that when we are here, she's sitting, we bring her on our reverse, right? She's up. Her weight is already on the front. So when she falls forward, you cannot make her go even more to the front and fall forward like this because her weight is no longer, there's not another leg that she can use now to come even further with the weight. So think about it. When she's here, we bring her up. Now we're going to bring her down, but the upper body is kind of like staying on the same place, like in the same axis, and it's not traveling more to the front. It's now the hips that I start going to the back, and this allows, look at the upper body, to stay in this vertical line and just do the movement from here. Okay, guys? So let's do it with counting in 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. In 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2 from this point of view. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also let us know down below if you have any questions. Make sure to check out these other videos that you're going to love. See you there and keep practicing.